Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we enable location in our Realme phone device. Guys, you want to enable your location settings. So friends, how can you enable it? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable your location. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting. Friends, click on guys your phone location setting. Guys, tap here. Friends, you want to enable location. Friends, you can enable from this right side. So just tap here. After enable location, guys, you can use guys your phone location setting from here, guys. You can see guys your Bluetooth scanning and Wi-Fi scanning. Guys, you want to enable and disable. You can enable and disable from here, guys. So like that guys, you can enable your phone location. Guys, you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.